Hi guys, today what we will be doing is I'm gonna show you how to create a landing page with GroovePages. GroovePages is a suite of software applications to build sales funnels and websites developed by Groove Digital, which consists of the landing page builder GroovePages, the shopping cart GrooveSell, and the email service provider GrooveMail, along with other software for selling digital and physical products online. So with that said, let us get started. For us to begin creating one, I'm gonna go to the GroovePages. Then let's try to create a new site. Go to the templates. As you can see, there are a couple of templates that you can use if you want to. Alright, so for the walkthrough of the GroovePages, we're just gonna use the landing page that I already created earlier. So here it is. You can see the full landing page that I created a while ago. So you can see I have here the logo, the heading, the text, and the images. So for example, you wanted to change the image of your landing page. For example, this one. So just click the image block and then click configure. Click choose image. And here you could select the image that you wanted. So for example, you wanted to get this image. Click the update dimensions and click select. Afterwards, you could see that our image has been loaded. Don't forget to click the update button. So right now, we were able to replace our image. Aside from image, we could also change our text. So for example, we wanted to change the below text, this one. We could change the text. We could change the size. We can change the size. You can change the color, also the transparency of your text if you want. So aside from changing your images and text and headings, you could also add up some blocks, elements, and pages, and of course pop-ups to our landing page or website. Okay, so let's try to explore this one. So for the blocks, what we have here are design blocks and wireframes. You don't have to worry about creating your own blocks because we already have here the pre-made design blocks. So as you can see, what we have here on the right side are the alert bars, call to action, content, covers, features, footers, forms, navigation bars, testimonials, so on and so forth. We also have here wireframes. Aside from the blocks that we could use, we also have some elements. So elements are composed of the layout of our landing page. We also have here the text, the heading, and also the list, the buttons, the media that we wanted to add. We could also add a form. Aside from that, we could also add other things like devices and navigation bar and integrations. We have here is the pages that we could use for our website. Below the pages, we also have here the pop-ups, which is typically a small graphical user interface window that suddenly appears or pops up in the foreground of your website or your landing page. So for us to create the integration of our landing page, just click this icon and then go to my integrations. So earlier I already set up the integrations for my landing page and I choose Mailchimp. So if you want to try it out, Mailchimp. So for example, we want to try another integration type. So just click the add and you can see here the different integration type. We have here the active campaign, waiver, campaign monitor, web form, get response, go to webinar, Mailchimp, Breaksida, product dyno, and save here. So you can see that we have a lot of integration types that we could choose from. So let's try to choose Mailchimp. See here, after selecting the Mailchimp, we have a text box for the integration description, the API key. So how are we gonna get the API key? For us to get the API key for our Mailchimp, we have to log into our Mailchimp account, and in there you could create the API key and paste it in here. Since we already have our landing page, we're just gonna try to publish this one and try it out. Save and click publish. So let's try to test this out. So try typing something. And then click sign up. Alright, a thank you follow-up message appears. So as you can see, GroovePages is an all-in-one platform and solution for building your sales funnels in e-commerce. With the simple drag and drop file builder, no credit card required. You just have to create an account, and of course with the use of your just have to create a username and then create your account and dive in. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.